Hi, Better Photography viewers. We are at Photokina 2016 and we are with someone very special. This is Mrs. Hamma. Mrs. Hamma is the chairperson of Koelnmesse and Photokina is happening because of her. Mrs. Hamma, thank you for giving us the time for this interview.
Well, thank you for being here.
Thank you. Mrs. Hamma, one question that I had was what is new this year? What is different about Photokina this year over the previous editions of Photokina?
Well, Photokina is younger, is fresher. It had a full new appearance because we want to attract also the generation selfie here on the fairgrounds.
Right. Now, over the years, Photokina has changed. I mean, I've seen the changes over the last like 5 editions. Digital has stepped in a big way, and a lot of new technology has actually come to the fore. Has it really affected the way Koelnmesse sees Photokina?
Of course, it has affected everything what we do here for the business. We do have a lot more in the way of adventure, in the way of action, in the way of movie that you can find here on the stage. And of course, we want to open the market also to all those users who take images as their communication, that is the social media.
Now movies, you mentioned movies. Movies is something that is really changing things. I mean, every camera now has got a movie function. There are some very exciting things that you can do with cameras. Is photography, still photography and movie is obviously merging, but at Photokina, is Photokina going to see a large amount of movie products and movie stalls with movies?
That is something that you really can see here. We do have several movie companies that are coming back to Photokina because, as you mentioned, those two segments, the picture and the movie, are merging, and you have to provide the user with everything.
Right. Which is the country with the biggest number of exhibitors at Photokina?
Well, if you look at the origin of the headquarters, it's still Japan.
Okay. The Japanese are still dominating the market.
Yeah.
We have had a situation over the last 5 or 6 years, where the cell phones have really taken over photography, which means that a lot of photography companies have seen a drastic decline in their business in many of their segments. Has this affected Photokina in any way?
Yes, so in one hand it has affected Photokina because we do like, for example, Samsung is not in the market anymore, so Samsung is also not an exhibitor here anymore, but it also gives us the chance to open Photokina to other business segments, as we just mentioned, the movie segment, and all the output segment is bigger than ever.
Well, Photokina looks very exciting this year. Thank you, Ms. Hamma, for having this interview with us. And well, Better Photography, this is the very most important person in Koelnmesse that we are with. So thank you.
And enjoy your stay here in Cologne.
Thank you.
You're welcome.